Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start your GMC Yukon with a key. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the correct steps ensures a smooth start every time. First, make sure your Yukon is securely in either park or neutral. This is a crucial safety measure before attempting to start the engine. Then, you'll need to locate the ignition switch, which is typically found on the right side of the steering column. We'll go through each step in detail to get you on the road quickly and safely. Before you can start your Yukon, you'll need to gain entry. Most modern GMC Yukons come with a key fob that allows for remote unlocking. Simply press the unlock button on your fob to open the doors. If the fob battery is dead, or if you prefer, you can use the physical key. Insert the key into the driver's side door lock cylinder, usually found on the door handle. Give it a firm turn clockwise to unlock the door and gain access to your vehicle. Once inside, it's time to start the engine. Take your physical key and insert it completely into the ignition switch. You'll feel it click into place. Next, turn the key clockwise to the on position. This powers up your vehicle's electrical systems and dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine cranks and starts. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position automatically. Sometimes, a Yukon might not start immediately. One common issue is a locked steering wheel. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key to free it. If the engine doesn't crank at all, a dead battery is a likely culprit, so check your battery terminals or consider a jump start. Always ensure you have enough fuel in the tank, as a low fuel level can prevent starting. For any persistent issues or specific model features, your GMC Yukon's owner's manual is an invaluable resource for detailed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.